And right here is our bird aviary where we have a lot of parakeets, and folks can come in and they can actually feed these birds. We have little sticks with seeds on them. Birds get all over you. Very colorful and a lot of fun for the whole family. It's a chance to get up close to some of these cute birds and learn a little bit about them. Our keepers are in there with you to help answer questions, and a lot of folks want to get birds like this for pets. They can give them some advice as to just what kind of animal these are and what makes a good pet, especially for the little kids.
Oh my God. Look at my head again. Dad, look at my head.
Look at mine.
Oh, Greg got another one on my head.